The next topic in functions is talking about function notation and then evaluating functions. Function notation is just a fancy way of rewriting an equation to tell you that this line that goes with this equation is a function, that the graph is a function, that the domain only has one range. To write in function notation, you just take out the y and replace it with f of x. This f parentheses x, you pronounce it f of x. So if we had y equals 3x minus 8 to write that in function notation, we would write f of x is equal to 3x minus 8. Once again, function notation just tells you that it is a function, that it passes the vertical line test. To evaluate functions, so you're going to have it written in function notation, so f of x equals 3x plus 2. If you want to evaluate for f of 2, you would take out the x in your equation and put in a 2, and then use order of operations to simplify it. So for example, we have f of x equals negative 7x plus 4. And we want to find f of 2. So we want to find out the value of the function when x is 2. So since I took the x out of the function notation, replace it with the 2, I need to take out the x in the original equation and replace it with 2 also. So it's kind of like what we did when we evaluated expressions. And then you just use order of operations to simplify. So I do negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Negative 14 plus 2 is negative 12. So f of 2 is equal to negative 12. For our next example, f of x equals x squared minus 2x. Now I want to solve for f of negative 5. So that means whenever I see a x, I want to replace it with a negative 5. And simplify. Order of operations, say I do exponents first. So negative 5 squared, negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. I can also go ahead and combine these since it doesn't affect the problem anymore. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. And 25 plus 10 is 35. So f of negative 5 is equal to 35.